Hey, it's Vermilion again. Today, I want to show you how to transfer your drawing to the canvas like a pro. This method is used to prevent making a mess on your canvas, but if you feel really confident to work on your canvas with less lines, because they might show through on your painting later on. So after finishing the drawing like you have seen in part 1 and you are happy with the results, take the tracing paper and make sure it's secure and doesn't move with scotch tape so you don't lose your drawing after. So then start tracing the outlines of your subject using a pencil preferably. I'm using charcoal here and that's also totally fine. After you are done, take off the tracing paper and use a thin solution of raw amber or sienna with turpentine or mineral essential oil and apply it on the tracing paper on the outlines. You can also use charcoal instead of oil paint, but raw amber is more skin friendly and easy to hide or cover later on with your paint. Now put the tracing paper on the canvas with the painted surface against the canvas and start tracing again. I'm really sorry about the quality of the video. I will make sure next time it will be way better. Alright, I will see you guys on the next video on how I painted the eye.